Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Science Facts, Know the Known Better with me Shobha Krishna Kumar. This video will be helpful for who are struggling with math and are likely looking for ways to make it easier. Here are some scientifically proven ways to help you make math an easy subject. First 3 tips are for younger kids, probably helpful for their parents, and later 5 tips are for older students. By following it, surely you can score 100% in the upcoming math exams. When working on math, each concept builds on the one before. So we need to start with the basics, especially with younger kids. Tip number 1 for younger kids, treat math like reading. Parents often read with their kids to get them reading, but fewer do math every day with their kids. Start with counting and number recognition. For instance, count how many strawberries are on the plate, or count how many tires are on the car, and so on. Doing so will encourage your child to start understanding numbers. Tip number 2. Talk about math out loud. You likely use math every day, whether it's to calculate how much gas you can afford or how much meat you will need for dinner, etc. Instead of doing this math in your head, say it aloud. Your kids may not understand it all at first, but the exposure will help them be better mathematicians. For example, this pizza has 8 slices, which will give 4 people 2 slices each. We are having 6 people over tonight, so we should order a second pizza and have leftovers. By calculating like this, your kids will start understanding little by little. Tip number 3. Get building toys for your kids. Building toys help your kid understand spatial math. Building toys can be ones with pipes and joints, or interlocking blocks, or even interlocking logs. They also help your child understand how parts form a whole. Next, study tips for older students. Tip number 1 is focused and diffused thinking. Focused thinking is to concentrate on given set of information. It is very important for solving math problems and also to practice concepts that you already know. Diffuse mode means big picture mode. Let you relax your mind a little and wonder a little. This is important to understand something new. Usually, diffuse thinking happens as you do other things. That's why taking a shower or going for a run to take a break from your studying can actually lead to an important breakthrough. While your conscious mind is relaxed, your brain is able to form a creative solution to a problem or finally link ideas that had been eluding you. Tip number 2. Visualization. Basically, when you are solving a math problem, draw a diagram or chart or table whenever possible, or even when your examiner is not asked to do it, so you could able to solve that problem much better. Deep practice. Try the homework on your own. Making mistakes in mathematics is common. Evaluate those mistakes and try again. Tip number 4. Learn math in everyday life. Dear parents and students, math is very useful in everyday life. Math can help us do many things that are important in our everyday lives. Here are some daily tasks for which math is important. Diet, cooking, grocery shopping, bill payments, budget. So apply math in your everyday life so it will make you to understand mathematics better. Tip number 5 is the very important tips for exam. Read the most difficult problem first. Yes, and then you can solve the easy problem. Now, when you are working on the easy problem, your subconscious mind will be working on the tough problem. It gives a large area for your brain to sort it out. Next, read all the questions in your question paper twice and write the every bit of information given in the question paper in your answer sheet. First of all, and then try to do as many steps you can. Try to draw a diagram, chart or table so that you can get some more points out of it. Revise the answer paper in different sequence. This helps your mind to find your mistakes. So, try all these tips and get maximum marks in your exams, and please give a public comment in the comment section. Thank you.